Comment down correct answer before showing. 1. Which institution prepares the National Health Account (NHA) estimates for India? Option A WHO, Option B NITI Aayog, Option C AIIMS, Option D NHSRC. Correct answer D NHSRC notes the National Health Account (NHA) estimates report is prepared by National Health Systems Resource Centre NHSRC under the Union Health Ministry. The report is being released since 2014 and the 7th report for 2019-20 is released recently. The NHA estimates are prepared by using an accounting framework based on the internationally accepted standard of System of Health Accounts, 2011, developed by the World Health Organization (WHO). Comment down correct answer before showing. 2. Nagorno-Karabakh is a region which is disputed between which two countries? Option A Armenia and Azerbaijan, Option B Russia and Ukraine, Option C USA and Mexico, Option D Nepal and China. Correct answer are Armenia and Azerbaijan. Notes Nagorno-Karabakh is a landlocked mountainous region in the South Caucasus that is disputed between Armenia and Azerbaijan. The two countries, both formerly part of the Soviet Union, have fought repeatedly over the last 35 years for control of Nagorno-Karabakh. Azerbaijan has recently set up a checkpoint at the start of the Lachin Corridor, the only land route that links Armenia to Nagorno-Karabakh. Comment down correct answer before showing. 3. Big Catch-up initiative is launched by which organization? Option A IMF, Option B FAO, Option C WHO, Option D RBI. Correct answer C WHO notes the Big Catch-up is launched by the World Health Organization as a part of World Immunization Week. Under this, WHO along with other public health organizations is working to restore progress made in the immunization coverage that was lost due to the pandemic. It will pay special attention on 10 countries, including Pakistan and Afghanistan, to restore essential immunization coverage to at least 2019 levels. Comment down correct answer before showing. 4. Which organization has released the World Development Report 2023? Option A IMF, Option B World Bank, Option C ADB, Option D AIIMS. Correct answer B World Bank. Notes the World Bank has released the World Development Report 2023 Migrants, Refugees, and Societies. According to this report, around 184 million people across the globe lack citizenship to the country in which they live. The report proposes a framework to maximize the development impacts of cross-border movements on both destination and origin countries. Comment down correct answer before showing. 5. Which space agency is associated with the Future Circular Collider project? Option A ISRO, Option B NASA, Option C CERN, Option D JAXA. Correct answer C CERN. Notes the European Organization for Nuclear Research CERN is currently working on the first phase of its Future Circular Collider FCC project. The Future Circular Collider is expected to be a potential successor of the Large Hadron Collider, the world's largest and most powerful accelerator that was started in 2008.